to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see question 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So here the cost of apples and grapes is given. So first of all, let me suppose. Let the cost of 1 kilogram apple is equal to X rupees. Now the cost of 1 kilogram grape is equal to Y rupees. So हमने यहाँ पे सपोज कर लिया है कि 1 किलोग्राम एप्पल की प्राइस X रुपीस और 1 किलोग्राम ग्रेप की कॉस्ट Y रुपीस. Now according to question, the cost of 2 kilogram apple and 1 kilogram grapes, total cost is given 160 rupees. Now हमने यहाँ पे सपोज किया कि 1 किलोग्राम एप्पल की कॉस्ट X रुपीस है, देन 2 किलोग्राम एप्पल की कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगी 2X, 2 multiply X. Then here we suppose 1 kilogram grape is equal to Y rupees. So here 1 kilogram. Then Y. Now the total cost of these two is given 160 rupees. So we get equation 2x plus y is equal to 160. That is the first algebraically representation. Now second condition. In second condition, the cost of 4 kilogram apple. So it becomes 4x. And 2 kilogram grapes. So it becomes 2y. And the total cost of these two is equal to 300 rupees. So that is the second equation. So we express the situation in algebraically form. Now to graphically representation, we have to find solution. So first we take equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 160. Now we convert this equation in y form. So y is equal to 160 minus 2x. So this is the y form of equation 1. Now here y is equal to 160 minus 2x. अगर हम x की वैल्यू काफी स्मॉल लेंगे, मीन्स 0, 1, 2, 3, तो हमें y की वैल्यू काफी बड़ी मिलेगी. तो x और y की वैल्यू में डिफरेंस आएगा, तो ग्राफ में डिफिकल्ट होगा. तो हमें यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू थोड़ी बड़ी लेनी है, जिससे उन दो x और y की वैल्यू में काफी डिफरेंस ना आए. सो इफ x इक्वल टू 50, देन y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 50. So 160 minus 50 to the 100. So 160 minus 100 become 60. So y is equal to 60. If x is equal to 60, then y is equal to 160 minus 2 into 60. Now यहाँ पे 60 into 2 120 हो जाएगा. So 160 minus 120 is equal to 40. So हमें अगर x की वैल्यू 60 ली तो y की वैल्यू हमें मिली 40. So first table x, y. If we take x equal to 50, then y is equal to 60. If we take x equal to 60, then y is equal to 40. So this is the first solution table of equation 1. Now we take equation 2. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Now convert in a y form, so it becomes 2y is equal to 300 minus 4x. Now in next step, 2 goes in a division. So y is equal to 300 minus 4x upon 2. So that is the y form of second equation. Now if we take x equal to 50, then y is equal to 300. यहाँ पे हमें x की वैल्यू 50 लेनी है, तो 50 फोर हो जाएगा 200 अपॉन 2. 300 माइनस 200 बिकम 100 अपॉन 2, सो इज इक्वल टू 50. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 50 लेंगे तो y की वैल्यू भी हमें 50 मिलेगी. नाउ इफ वी टेक x इक्वल टू 60, देन y इज इक्वल टू 300 माइनस, यहाँ पे हमें x की वैल्यू लेनी है 60, तो 60 फोर 240 हो जाएगा. नाउ 300 माइनस 240 इट बिकम 60. 60 अपॉन 2 हो जाएगा 30. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 60 लेंगे तो हमें y की वैल्यू मिलेगी 30. नाउ सॉल्यूशन टेबल. x y, x की वैल्यू हमने 50 ली तो y की वैल्यू हमें 50 मिली, सो 50 and 50. If we take x equal to 60, then y is equal to 30. So this is a solution table of equation 2. Now we take a graph paper and both the point plot in a graph paper. Now let's see on a graph paper. So on a graph paper we draw x-axis and y-axis. Now we take a scale. Here on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. On y-axis similarly 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. Now we take a first equation. For the first equation we have first solution 50, 60. So from here we present first point and second solution 60, 40, and then after we have to draw line passing through these 2 points. So this is a 2x plus y is equal to 160 first equation, and similarly second equation for first solution 50, 50 and second solution 60, 30. So we have to draw another line passing through these 2 points. So that is the equation of 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. So here we observe that the graph of both linear equation we get parallel lines. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.